I hate to see this last house sitting on the block. And it's not just me. My husband, Terry, has spent his entire career making Detroit a better place to live for kids and families. So I'm thinking we can buy that house and hire Keith and Evan to fix it up. It can be a win-win-win for us, the guys, and the neighborhood.
Well,
yeah, everything's level.
That siding, though, looks pretty decent.
There they are.
Hey.
I got Terry.
I'm here.
Terry and I have been married for 7 wonderful years, and he actually grew up in this neighborhood.
Just want to make a correction. I was actually chased her for 9 years before that 7.
Ready to check this house out?
So my parents live about a mile away from here. So doing work in this neighborhood is very important. And I've worked with young people my whole life. And so I understand that stable neighborhoods are very important to the success of young people. So this seems to be the perfect investment for us. And I'm nervous.
Me too.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Just a little bit.
It looks good, doesn't it?
But why is it still on the market at $55,000? So we need to see.
This home is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and listed at $55,000. What comps in the neighborhood, it can easily list at $98,000. But it's been on the market for a while, so there must be something wrong with it.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
There's that standard flippers vinyl.
I actually was excited about the floor.
Oh, okay.
It's a decent-sized room, too.
Yeah.
I see some cosmetic stuff.
Overall, that's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
What's going on in the kitchen? We have new tile. Again, just kind of like sloppy. So everything that we're seeing so far is mostly cosmetic.
Old cabinets, bad tile installation, sloppy paint work.
We would give you fresh cabinets.
I
if it
would
looks
hope
like
so.
they-
Those
I mean,
are the
like you can
original.
see
Yeah.
like the grime that they just kind of painted over. So, yeah, bathroom. Yeah, some issues.
Uh-oh, Keith gasped.
Why did you gas, Keith?
There's a lot of plumbing that's
Nothing, Terry,
unfinished.
don't worry.
Keith, I'm just saying. Evan, what are we concerned?
It's
are
just
we nervous?
unfinished plumbing, it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, smaller. Yeah, pretty small.
Goodness.
Not the biggest space, but it does have a nice closet space.
I know, I like this.
So should we go and look in the basement? Because I'm still trying to figure
I
out.
don't see why it's like technically half off.
This house has been on the market for 55 days, and in this current market, homes are not sitting on the market that long. Where is the problem? Where is the issue?
So no furnace, no water heater.
No water heater. It
Yeah.
stinks.
This post is good. Wait a minute, this post is not good.
Oh, not good.
So this is actually a structural issue. So everything that we saw before was just cosmetic fixes.
We're done. That's it.
You ready to go?
Ready to go. That's got to be $20,000 right there. I don't trust anybody else more than my wife, than Keith and Evan.
So you trust Keith and Evan equally as much as you trust me?
No, after you.
Oh, after me,
I
then
trust
Keith and Evan.
And actually, if I had to go in order, I would say you, and then Evan, and then Keith. I love Keith. I love Keith. But Evan is the one that's gonna let me know whether or not this house is going
It
to
is gonna be, that's
sturdy.
true.
So
My advice to you is to see if you can get some money off. And then if it does come off, then I would say it's worth doing. If Shea can get this house for $45,000 purchase price, we should be able to renovate it for $25,000, which will give them a healthy profit margin and still be able to sell it at an affordable price for a first-time buyer. I would say go for it, but get it down to 45.
Only
though.
if I can get it
Yeah.
for 45. I can make it happen.
They bought the house and they are paying for the reno and they're hiring us as the contractor, which is not really our normal business model, but we love them and we want to get this last house on the block done.
yeah.
We're gonna try and cap the reno budget at $25,000. So she'll have a healthy margin for when she goes to sell the house.
There we go. That woke me up.
So the demo today, there's a lot of things that we're gonna try to save and reuse.
Be careful, I'm saving that.
Yes, boo.
The budget for this house is pretty small, so it'll be a little bit of a challenge to get that very high-end designer look with the budget that we have. I want to open up the wall between the kitchen and the living room and create a peninsula with bar seating on one side and storage space below. We'll put the oven in the nook next to it and a full bank of cabinets along the opposite wall with storage above and below. As you know, we're doing French country down the street on the other house. So for your guys' house, I was thinking of taking it French, but like Luxe side of the French
Yes,
world.
I would love that. I
Rich.
love that.
Rich. You have like velvet, I'm thinking rich colors, maybe
love
some
that.
jewel tones popped in.
I love that.
Lots of like hand-painted Desjardins style art.
That would be fabulous. I love that idea.
Yeah.
I am like just blown away with excitement. I cannot wait to see the finished product.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Remember how we were expecting the plumbing to just be like pretty minor?
Everything is brand new.
Yeah, because everything was rotted out and gone. It's like an extra $6 grand.
$6 grand.
Yeah. The sewer that was in the basement floor was partially full of concrete and partially just completely corroded.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
That is so crazy.
There's like nothing left of it.
Looks prehistoric.
Yeah. Our plumber had to trench up the entire floor to replace all of that corroded 3-inch pipe. So the plumbing budget went from about $1,500 to $6,600.
I mean, obviously, you know, we don't have any more contingency budget now. Like, the plumbing blew through every penny of it in one
but
thing.
you do have to have a drain in the house.
$5,000 is never fun to have to share the news to with a client, and in this case, the client is Shea and Terry, which makes it even trickier. Let's just make sure that this doesn't go awry, because, well, A, Shea gonna kill us, and then B, we're gonna be out of money.
I know. You like the color?
I love the cabinet color.
Yeah.
It's very elegant. We're gonna do a butcher block countertop and a little bit of a darker stain than we would probably normally do, but I like a dark stain with this green. And then we'll have our recycled glass backsplash, which I think is really pretty. It kind of looks like marble. The whole thing is all opened up. It's super nice layout now. I don't know. It's up there. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, everybody come see the house.
I am so nervous, like ridiculously nervous. I guess because we're friends and I trust them, and then what if it's something I don't like?
I'm very much excited to see how this home is going to be for a family here in this neighborhood. Oh my God! Oh my God! Hercules! Hercules! That is
so
awesome!
It is so
I thought it was cute before. This is
I
like
love it
over
so
the top.
Oh, I love it so much. Oh my God, I hope I don't pass out.
I'm glad y'all like it.
Shea and Terry purchased the house for $45,000. The original reno budget was $25,000, but with the plumbing issues in the basement, we actually ended up spending about $30,000 on the reno. But the comps support a listing price of $95,000, which gives them a pretty healthy profit margin.
All right, I cannot wait for y'all to see this. Y'all
Oh
ready?
my God, I am way too excited.
Oh my! Is that? Oh my God! This is, oh my goodness!
It's me! Look, it's me! I can't believe y'all did this!
That is you.
I mean, my eyes, my little eyebrows, everything, my hand. Look at my hands, that's my hand.
This is fantastic.
Look at this,
This
Terry.
thing right here.
Oh my God. I don't even know. Look, hold on. Lord have mercy. I'm serious.
this
Let
is
me
rich.
take a deep breath.
It's pretty obvious Shea and Terry love the house. Lots of big reactions everywhere, which is always fun. Well, I will say
I really just love it so much. I'm so happy. I'm sorry.
No, it's good. Don't apologize. That's
Nothing to
fine.
apologize about. Like this
I'm
is.
glad you like it. It was really fun.
Why is the basin gold?
This is, I've never seen anything like this in my
So coming to America, over the top.
What did
This
you?
is
Oh
awesome.
my goodness! Look at this.
To have your own mural in the shower? Who does that? Oh, Keith and Evan do. That's who does it.
So that's like a déjeuner style wallpaper in France, and it was like, that's what it's supposed to channel.
This is like a blinged out spa.
Check out another bedroom.
Guest bedroom.
Like, this room seems so small.
Oh my
did seem-
goodness.
It was tiny. There's just so much room for
There
activities.
is. And then
This is
the rug
awesome.
also helps it to feel larger. And I love that it ties in the greens.
Terry was right. Buyers loved the house, and a few weeks later, it was under contract for $1,000 over asking price, which gives Shea and Terry a profit of just over $20,000 and brings another happy family to the block.